G'day, Divergence Traders. Today is Friday. What a day. Friday, August 18th. And look at this shit show on the NASDAQ, eh? You see how jumpy the price is? It's just jumping up and down and up and down and up and down. It put me through hell today. You motherfuckers. Anyway, I still managed to be up a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. Yeah. Trading like a crazy man in the crazy war zone. You know what this looks like? Fucking Maui. That's what it looks like. I feel so sorry for all those people in that area. It's just unbelievable what happened. Yes, indeed. So we're going to take her back up today because you had how many days of down? Look at this. This is the daily chart, ladies and gentlemen. 3 days in a row down. So it's quite obvious. They're going to, they're going to buy it back up. We're probably going to end up with a bullish candle on the daily. Doesn't mean we will. But anyway, you want to see a really good way to trade and less stress is you trade on the daily. The weekly is a little far out, but it works on the weekly too. See? Right here, lower closing candle, buy it, up it goes. Lower closing candle, buy it, up it goes. Now, you got to wait for it to come back to the line. So right here, lower closing candle, buy it, up it goes, all the way up. Lower closing candle, buy it right here, up it goes. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. You see what I'm saying? That's on the weekly. You know how many points that is all the way up doing those trades? And you just got to look at your chart once a week on Sunday. That's it. And on the daily, you just look at your chart at the end of the day at 5 o'clock Eastern time, and you look for the trade. You have a higher closing candle, you sell it right on the open of the next day, and down it goes. Higher closing candle, sell it on the next day, down it goes. You see what I'm saying? Yes, indeed. Instead, you don't have to trade this fucking shit right here. See this shit? All done on purpose to steal your money. That's what trading's about. It's a zero-sum game. In order for somebody to win, someone on the other side needs to lose. But actually, you know what it really is? If one guy wins good, probably 5, 10, maybe more other people on the other side have to lose. Because they're not going to get in when you get in and hold on to the trade until you get out. You know what I mean? So there's a whole bunch of people who'll lose some money and they'll jump out. Then another person will jump in. They'll lose some money. Then they'll jump out. You see what I mean? Anyway, Jason, shut up. Get back to the purpose of the video here. Here it is. Craziness. Did we have divergence? Now, let me show you the first trade that worked. It was still in the UK session, okay? Right there to somewhere down there like that. Yeah, right there. And right there, see? I knew it was going to go to that line. I just got out somewhere right now where the price is. Yeah, I knew it was going to go and give that blue line a tap. A taparoonie. So you would have sold here. You put your stop to the closest swing high. 15 points. Stop, and it went down like almost 90 points. Then we had a low retracement, lower low. But you wouldn't want to get in on this trade right here because the market didn't open yet. You can't trade just before the open. Yeah, maybe sometimes it'll work. Maybe 1 or 2 times out of 10, but you don't want to lose the other 8 times, right? So anyway, there's no trade here. This whole rigmarole, there's no trade. There might be on the 1 minute. Let's go take a quick look. All right, let me squeeze that down a bit here. Oh, holy moly. See right here? There's no divergence here to sell it, okay? However, we have a low and a retracement and a lower low. That's divergent, okay? Let me draw it on there for you. So you got a low retracement, lower low. Was screaming at you to buy it. If you're brave enough to buy it right here, up it went. So you bought it right here and didn't wait for the line. But if you bought it way up here, which I wouldn't, because it's so close to this cluster fuck right here. Excuse my language. I'm just a little on edge today after I traded this crap. But anyway, so there's a trade there. Say you got in there. You're not going to get what you saw, 37 points, and it went up 25. Then it came down and made it look like they're going to rip it right back down again. Instead, it ripped up. You know, this here is a 1, 2, 3, 4. What they call a 1, 2, 3, 4 move. And futures is famous for it. Where you would have got in here. But we had a trade here, okay? 1 minute trade like this. And like this. And got in here. And up it quickly went up. That's when I got in, actually, right here. And it's just zipped up and I got out real quick. Even though I knew it was going to that line, but I couldn't wait. And look what it did. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Chop, 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 chop. But anyway, there's this there's this other streamer. I'm sure you've heard of him if you watch a lot of streams. Patrick! Yes, the Patrick guy. Wheeling guy with all the trucks and the boats, yeah. He said something today that was so awesome, other than his cursing at people and like calling them losers and whatever else he called them today. Very ignorant, this guy. Very arrogant, typical American. Anyway, he said something that was really cool today. And he said, buy the rip, or no, buy the dip, sell the rip. That is just so cool. That's the first good thing you've said, Patrick. And all the time I've been listening to you. I just listen to him just for a laugh because he says some funny things sometimes. He even, you know, he bans his own customers. Oh, the guy don't have his head on right. Anyway, so the stop would have been 20 points. Did we get to, oh yeah, we got 30. So you would have made money on that one. Oh yeah. Buy the dip, sell the rip. I just love that selling. My saying is buy the dip, sell the rallies, right? Yeah, his is much cooler because in my old trading days we call it a rally. Today you guys call it a rip. Rip it, baby, rip it up, you know? So he said that saying, buy the dip, sell the rip. It's just so cool. Right on, Patrick. Right on. Okay, here's the Dow. Oh yeah, we had a trade. Right from the get-go, right out of the oven, we had a trade. Let me show you. We had a trade up here too. Let me show you. So we got high and a higher high. It's like that. Oh yeah, it's still gonna go. See, we got short right there. Stop would have been right there, where it goes all the time at the closest swing high in a downtrend, or the closest swing low when you're buying in an uptrend. So 29, 30 pips, stop, and it went down 157 points. Then down here, oh yeah, we have it right here too. Okay. Those bastards come and got the stops, you motherfuckers. But you could have avoided it. You know how? Look, let me show you. Let me show you. So we have a low, right? And a retracement and a lower low, right? And on the OSMA, it all lines up, right? Just like this. So you would have got in right here, right? And your stop would have been right here. And they came and they got your freaking stop, right? But do you know how you avoid doing this trade that you just got stopped out on? Like buying right in here and getting stopped out right here? You don't do that trade. It's close to the open of the stock market. Nobody knows what they're going to do when that happens. And look what they did. They took it down, they got the stops, then they took it up. Okay? So if, let's look at this again now and evaluate this differently. Now, if you looked at this, the lower low and lower low, or double bottom, whichever way you want to look at it, and this like this. So guess what happens there? You would have got in up here somewhere. So you never would have got stopped out because you didn't get in the trade before the stock market opened. See what I mean? All right. Okay. So here it is. Buy the dip right here. Okay. Sell the rip up here. Okay. Buy the dip. Stop is 91 points. Look at that. 93 points. Sell the rip. Buy the dip, sell the rip. Buy the dip, sell the rip. See how beautiful that is on the Dow. What did the S&P do? Hold on, I can't leave yet. There's still another trade. Let me show you. Can't leave yet. We gotta try and get all the trades. I also want to say that there is times I do miss trades. I look at the chart too quickly and I miss it. And I want to try and get them all today. Okay. So you guys definitely get your money's worth. Okay. Even though this channel is 100% free. It's free to like. It's free to subscribe. I wish you would. Okay, so, yeah, I already drew it in. Right here. To right there. And this one, we could put it up there. It's okay. Either or, it'll all work. Right here, see, we get the cross. Candle up. That's a buy the dip. Right there, you buy the dip. And up here, you sell the rip. All right, so you would have bought it right here. You could have put your stop right here at the nearest swing low, 38 points. And it went up 125 points. You could have got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Gotta like that. Oh, no, I said that wrong. Oh, no, that's still the Dow. Okay, yeah. You would have got your 2-to-1 there with 80 points. Okay. Now let's look at the S&P. We're going to count little points, not, you know. See, right here again, see? Here's the divergence. Let me show you. Actually, let me, look, same trade. Look, same trade right up here. I'm going to get all the trades in so you guys have more to learn from, because that is my goal. My goal is to make you a better trader if you're willing to do the work. You know, there's a lot of chart staring, but the question is, do you want to try and trade some other whatever? You know, there's a lot of different stuff you can trade. Will it work for you as good as this? Probably not, but you got to put the work in to learn how to find the divergence, and it's all explained in my course. Okay, so we would have got in short right there, our stop at the closest swing high. 5.5 points. This is the S&P, and it went down 15 points. There's 3-1 right there. Then we had another, the same setup before the open, okay, which you shouldn't touch it, because if you did, your stop would be here. According to how I do it, they would have came and got your stop. That's why you don't do the trade just before the stock market opens, because they'll come and get you. They'll come and get you. They know where your stop is. That's why, see right over here, they know this right here. They know there was all kinds of people buying in here. You can see it right here in this bullish candle. They know that. They know where your orders are. They know where your stop is. Your stop is right below this little cluster of candles. They know that. That's why they took it down here and got your stop, then took it up. That's why this is so powerful, ladies and gentlemen, because you get in after they get into the stops. After they go after the stops, then we get in afterwards. But you can't always do that. But in this case, you could have avoided this because your entry point was like 20 minutes before the open. Your entry point was right here. There, 9 o'clock. See? Half an hour before it opened, right here was your entry point from this divergence, okay? Right here. And you could have avoided it. Don't trade the open. Don't trade the first 15 minutes of the open. Maybe even the whole half hour. You know what I'm saying? Usually the moves happen after 10 o'clock. So if you could just pretend the market's not open, go make yourself a cup of tea for the ladies and the guys. Go make yourself a cup of Java. Sit there, enjoy your coffee. If you have some crunchy cookies, dip the cookies. And that's it. And wait for all the shit show to happen. See this? This was a war right here. Okay? Leave it alone. Look at how it cleared up after 10 o'clock. Let me show you. Where's 10 o'clock? Well, there's 10:30. Took a little extra time today because they were jumping, I don't know, they were jumping jelly beans today. Those motherfuckers, they're jumping jelly beans. You see how much the price has slowed down now? And over here it was just you know? Jesus. Anyway, let me show you the trade, okay? Sorry to talk so much today. Just trying to make you guys better. Shit. Just trying to make you ladies and gents better traders. That's all. Sorry about my stumble with my words, like I told you. I've had a whole bunch of strokes. Okay. So we got in here or here, probably, yeah, I think it's right here. Yeah, it's right there. So you would have got long there, right? This is the S and the P. Your stop would have been around 8-9 points. And like Patrick says, buy the dip, sell the rip. Sell the rip up here. So it went up about 17.5 points from the entry point, and your stop would have been down here, and it never hit your stop. So you would have been good. Okay, let's take a look at oil now. This is another trade I've done today. I missed the entry point. The entry point was right here. I got in just above the pivot right here, and I took it right here. It's a beautiful trade today, oil. And indeed, there was divergence. There was 2 divergence setups. Let me show you. We got a high retracement, higher high. And we have, Is that level? No, I don't think so. No. There's the divergence. And you would have sold right there. The very small stop of 15 ticks on the oil. Went down 61 ticks. Okay. That was good. That was really good. So we got a low, lower low. I mean, we got a low, a retracement, and a lower low. Okay. Actually, over here. See, I'm always telling you, a high, a retracement, and a higher high, then you look to sell. It's counter trend divergence. And then when we come down here at the bottom of the chart, okay, it's a low, a retracement, and lower low, okay? And that's our divergence. And you would have got long right there. Your stop would be at the closest swing low, 32 ticks. And it went up 115 ticks to the top. Beautiful trade. And if you missed the entry like me, you could have bought a dip right here. Lower closing candle, buy it, up it goes. In other words, buy the dip, sell the rip right up here if you could hold on that long. Okay, then look what it done after that. Crap. Let's look at gold now. Oh, look at gold. You bastards. Bastards, gold. Well, it's not perfect, but I call this like a double top. See? Doesn't have to be perfect. It's close enough. Okay. Sorry about that. Come on, give me the line. All right, like that. There's the divergence. And I guess you would have got in right here. Yeah. You would have suffered the drawdown. So you would have got short right here. Or you could have waited till we broke through this support right here. See right here? It would have bounced off of that. So if you wanted to make certain, okay, you would have waited till a better indication showed us to enter the trade. So that would be once price broke right through here, then you would have got short right here after we broke support. Stop would be 19 pips. Went down 45. That's 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Then we had what I call a double bottom, even though it's a little weird. We have the big spike here, but right here. This is it. Double bottom. See that? Right up on that angle like that. Boom. That's it. That is double bottom divergence. Question is, where would you get in? Somewhere in here, maybe once it broke out through there. Right there. So say you got in once it broke this high, right here. So the stop would be probably right here, 21 points. Went up 34 points before they smacked it down and back up again. Oh man, look at this. Look at this freaking chop, eh? It's like a big, what? It's a big, what do they call that? A symmetrical or something triangle? I don't know. Call it a big freaking flag. Here is the pole. Let me show you. Here's the flagpole. And there's the flag. Oh, hold on. See that flag? There you go. Isn't that pretty? Oh, shit. Shut up, Jason. Okay, let's move on. I don't trade triangles, descending and symmetrical, but they do work. They can work for people if you know how to trade them. Let's look at the pound yen now. Oh, look at the pound yen. Woo wee! Did we have some good setups on the pound today? It's about time. You were shitty all week. Okay, hold on. Or no, it's the pound yen, not the pound dollar. Look over here. There's this divergence all over town, man. Look at this. Look at this, man. Okay, I'll show them all to you. We have a low, a retracement, and a lower low. And right here to right here. And we would have got long right here. Stop was 18 pips, and it went up 58 pips. Then, let me show you another one. Another one, ladies and gentlemen. This is hidden divergence right up here. So you're getting lots of value for your money today. No, I'm just kidding. It's free. It's free to watch, it's free to like, and it's free to subscribe. And that's it, as some other streamers say. Okay. Wrong thing. So you would have got short in here somewhere. So you got in right there. Your stop would have been 20 points, and it went down 28 points. You were good. Then, what did we... Oh, yeah. Oh my God, I'm going to be drawing divergence till the cows come home and ring the bell. Here's another one, ladies and gentlemen. Holy tamale. You know, I could show this to someone, just this section of the video, and they'd say, no way, you're full of shit. You're full of fucking shit. There's no way there's all those trades and all those wins. There's no way. Well, let me tell you, the guy, 11 years ago, he's a trader friend of mine. He's actually well-known like me. He's actually more well-known than me in the Forex industry of traders education. He showed me this the one day, and he showed it to me with the stochastic. He said, yeah, divergence right here, buy it here, yeah, take profit here, yeah, is there right here, sell it here, take profit, yeah, he's there, here, buy it here, take profit, sell it here, take profit, buy it here, take profit. It was exactly something like this where there was hold on, okay, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 trades or 5 trades in a row, and after he showed me, I was baffled. I still did not believe him, even though he showed it to me right before my fucking eyes. Excuse me. But you know what? Every trade he showed me was 100% legit. And right now, I'm showing you all these trades, and every one is legit. Let me tell you. Now watch and see. This is hidden divergence again. Right up here like this. And we would have been buying right in there. So we would have bought the dip right here. Stop was 21, and we'd sell the rip up here, 21. Okay? Now, there's another trade. There's 2 more trades, ladies and gentlemen. Right here, we have a high, a retracement, and a higher high. Okay? I wish I was trading the fucking pound today. Jesus. Excuse my language. So you would have got short right up here. Stop would have been 14 pips. Went down 57 pips before the U.S. session opened. Now what do we have down here? And what do we have up here? Holy sheep shit. This is a double bottom right here, ladies and gents. Okay? It sure is. Right there. And you would have got long right in there. Your stop would have been 13 pips. There's 26 pips. There's 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay? Then, What do we have up here? More divergence. That's what we have. So we have a high, a retracement, and a higher high. Okay? And down here, there's the divergence. And no, we wouldn't have entered here because my filter told me not to. Okay? I'm not going to say what it is. It's in my course. Okay? Or we could even draw it longer. We can draw it from this high, okay, if we want. But this is the first one. There was no sell here. Okay? Let's draw it like this. Oh, yeah, it's gonna play. It's gonna play games with me. Hold on. It's a long video today, but it's a good one. It's a good one, yeah. Yeah, hold. It's a good one. Okay, right there. Okay, wherever you're drawing it, draw it there. It's divergent. Trust me. Trust me. I used to be a used car salesman. No, I'm just kidding. I used to be a bricklayer. All right, 21 points. Stop, and it went down 35. Okay, there you have it. Look at that. Buy here, up it goes. Sell here, down it goes. Buy here, up it goes. Sell it, down it goes. Buy it, up it goes. Sell it, down it goes. How many trades is that, ladies and gentlemen? All winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, man. Look at that. Isn't that insane? Oh, it is. It is. And it shows you and proves to you how powerful divergence is. If you're still trading and you're not successful, do yourself a favor, pick up the course. I'm not asking $500 for it, even though I used to sell it for that. I'm only asking $77. You can't go wrong. I'm telling you, you need this course. It will show you how to win. I got an email from a lady yesterday, and she's just loving it. You know, she can see how powerful the divergence is, and she's trading the NASDAQ because she can see the moves that it does and how it moves. She's doing well. She's very happy with the course. Anyway, I'll stop pitching you on the course, but you can do what you want. It's up to you. But if you're still struggling, I think it'd be wise to pick up your copy. All right, let's look at the Euro Yen now. What did it do? When I make the chart smaller, I can see the divergence quite easier. So this is the UK session right here. There was a trade right here to buy it, and up it goes. Right here. Low, retracement, lower low, and up we go. Then up here, it was like a double top at the end of the UK session. Sell it here, and down it goes. But I'll draw out the trades for you, okay? All right, right here. Double top. No, it's not touching right here. To be exact, nothing is perfect in life. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. Nothing's perfect. You show me something perfect, then maybe I'll believe you. All right. So you would have got short right there. Stop would have been 10. This is what? Oh, Euro Yen. 10 pips. Went down 28 pips. Then we had a low, a retracement, and a lower low. Then we'll take it from right here. It's like that. It's still divergent. Let me show you. Don't think I'm trying to fudge the setup. It's divergent, okay? And you stretch your chart up to see it, okay? So right there like that. You would have got long in here. Well, this is a long video today, huh? But it's well worth watching this video today. Oh, yeah. Your stop is 15 pips, and it went up 21. There you go. And what's up here? Oh, can't be, can't be. Another double top? Can't be. Yes, it can be. Right there, just like that. You would have got short right in here. Your stop would be 16.5 points. Oh, it missed it by a pip. Well, it would have hit it if you would have held on through this chop, shop, crap. Anyway, okay, let's go look at the last instrument of the day. And what do we have? We have more divergence. Yeah. This is the pound dollar, okay? Okay. So we have a low, a retracement, and a lower low, a lower low. Right there like that. And right there, you would have bought it today. Went up 47 pips, and your stop was right down here. 13 pips. So there you go. There you go. Another winner. Another winner. Look at that. Beautiful trade. And right here, if you would have bought the lower closing candles, up it goes. Lower closing candle, up it goes. See how I taught you that trick? Yeah. So I ask you, do you see the power in divergence? Oh, this is what I wanted to say. I want to say, lastly, that we're all traders, we're all human. We all kind of think the same, kind of, okay? I know that deep down inside, you want to learn how to trade your own way. You do not want to copy somebody else's success, for reasons like, say, pride. The one thing that I learned from a long time ago is that in order to be successful, you should listen to other people that have more experience than you, because they could teach you something. Just like I was a bricklayer, okay? And over the, how long did I do that for now? From 10 years or something I did it. Every season, which is the summer season. Wintertime, we didn't work too much. It was too cold. But anyway, in that 10 years, because I don't take shit from people, I worked for 50 different masonry companies. 50 of them. Not 5, not 1, 50 of them. Okay? And I'm very proud of that. And what I'm most proud of is all these different bricklayers that I worked with, they all had a different trick up their sleeve, and they taught me their tricks. And I watched them and seen them do their tricks. So I learned a lot from them, and it made me a better bricklayer. And trading divergence, okay? I learned how to trade divergence from somebody else. I told you that earlier in the video. And because of that, it's made me a better trader. Like, once I seen this and I could find it myself and trade it and be successful at it, I swallowed my pride, I swallowed whatever, and I just did it. So listen to me here. If that's what's stopping you, okay, or if you're just not doing well and you're still losing, pick up my course. I tell you, you will not regret it, okay? Anyway, once again, my name's Jason Sweezy. I'm a divergence trader. I have a passion for divergence. It's about the only thing I really trade the setup is divergence. There's other kinds of ways that I trade, scalping and stuff. And I showed you that as well in this video. in this channel. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I would really greatly appreciate it. So good luck and good trading. Have a nice weekend.